Overhead garage door models are ideal to retrofit into an existing garage door. Use the backplate to trace a cutout line for the vent on the garage door. Once completed, begin to cut out the rough opening. When installing SmartVent in a double wall insulated garage door, you will also have to remove the back portion of the garage door panel as well. When placing the vent frame into the garage door, make sure the frame is flush against the garage door panel. The overhead garage door model comes with pre-drilled holes in the corners of the frame to install the nut and bolts. The next step is to secure the backplate to the back side of the vent. This helps secure the vent in place. Use a drill and pliers to tighten the nuts and bolts. Once the frame is properly installed in the garage door, you can now install the flood vent door into the frame. There are pins located on each side of the door which slide easily into the frame. The final step is to secure the flood vent door with the security clips. The security clips hold the door in place and prevent it from washing away during a flood. An internal cam system is located in the flood vent door to prevent the door from opening and closing as you use a garage door.